He breached the public's trust. Now Honolulu Liquor Commission Inspector James Roddenhurst will head to federal prison for extorting money from local bars. Ramsey Wharton joins us now with the update.
James Roddenhurst was sentenced to less than 2 years in prison. The federal judge accepted prosecutors' request for a reduced sentence for the former police officer and airport security worker, all because his information has helped authorities. Former City Liquor Inspector James Roddenhurst left federal court today with words of advice for others thinking of abusing the public's trust.
Don't think you're ever above the law, because if you get caught, you'll be punished.
Roddenhurst was sentenced to 17 months in prison and 3 years of supervisory release for accepting at least $2,000 from the operators of Sin City and Volcanoes in exchange for allowing them to operate without a liquor license. Both bars have been shut down. Roddenhurst says childhood friend Herbert Naone, who earlier pled guilty to extortion, instigated his involvement. Judge David Ezra says Roddenhurst committed a very serious offense in violating the public's trust. He says there's no excuse for accepting money and violating one's duty, oath, and responsibility in any government position. Roddenhurst's attorney says he's disappointed others from the Liquor Commission haven't yet been indicted based on the information Roddenhurst gave authorities.
We provided information about corruption from all aspects of both the board as well as other liquor inspectors. Much to our disappointment, to date, nothing's happened.
Mr. Roddenhurst did give us some information. We are pursuing it. Some of the things we are pursuing we can't really talk about. They're in the process.
Breiner accused the commission of allowing suspected individuals to retire quietly.
If we had credible evidence against people, whether they retired or not, we very well may have pursued them, but it wasn't that case. So I think it's unfair to try to make that type of assertion.
Roddenhurst was ordered to report to a federal prison camp in Oregon, where he will serve out his sentence. Judge David Ezra did stress that he didn't go easy on Roddenhurst today. He says he's mandated by Congress to consider Roddenhurst's long career in law enforcement as well as his cooperation with authorities, which has led to ongoing investigations. Ramsey Wharton, KGMB 9 News.
Thanks a lot, Ramsey.